No problem. That is what he says. He further instructs me that he had not met accused number 5, Mr. Ntuli. He only met him on that day, on the 26th of October 2014, at 1700 hours, 28 minutes, 39 seconds.
But my lord, I thought I was told they were acquaintance at the beginning. I
No.
thought I was told
Right.
that's what I thought. I thought the assertion was that they were acquaintance with accused number 5, and I said I would not.
Brigadier, you are not listening, Brigadier. Please. The instruction that I'm putting to you is the following, that it was the first time on that day. He knew him, but on that day, he only met accused number 5 at that time. That's what I've put to you.
No, but that's not how you put it.
That's how I put it. You can listen to the record.
No. I'm saying now. Now you
Yes,
said.
now.
Yes, now that, and I'm saying what you are putting now is different to what you've said earlier, because I understood them to be acquaintance. Now I'm getting the impression of the assertion that says he only met him for the first time on this day. So it was not put in the same context, my lord.
Yes.
Indlela ke ngikuzwe ngayo ke mina ukuthi ngaphambini utheke ngoba ke ngaphambini uthe babe abantu abajwayelene ke manje usuthi ke ayengahlangananga naye uhlangana naye okoqala ke ngaleliya langa leliyana uadvocate Maibeka uthi ngaleliya langa la nge-26 ka-October 2014 akahlangananga naye ke umsola kwakuwokuqala ehlangana naye umsola wesihlanu ngalesiya sikhathi ngo-17:28 nama seconds awu 39 sorry.
From there, accused number 5 joined them in this Kumbi. They then traveled and dropped accused number 4, Mr. Mapisa.
Just wait. You say accused number 5 joined them?
Yes, joined them in this
Joined who?
in the minibus Kumbi. He joined, I will start afresh
So
then.
number 5 joined number 4 and others.
Yes, and others, the ones that I've mentioned earlier.
Also, after number 4 has met number 5 at 17:28:39, then accused number 5 joined them
Yes,
for the first time that day, or what?
for the first time that
Okay,
day.
fine. So he joined them for the first time at 17:28:39.
Yes,
Okay.
Kwasekwenzeka ke unumber 5 ke ngaleso sikhathi ke wabe ese bajoyina ke hlangana nabo ke bahamba ke ila abayo sebehamba ke mase divisa khona ke umsola wesine uMaphisa.
I'm listening, my lord.
Ngilalele.
this Kumbi then traveled to where Mr. Mapisa was renting a place of residence at the corner of Sinclair and Julie Street in Malvern, Johannesburg.
I'm listening, my lord.
Yahamba ke le moto yaya ke la ayehlala khona ke eqashe khona ke uMaphisa eMelvin.
The corner of Sinclair and Julie Street in Malvern, Johannesburg. He was dropped there after 1800 hours in the afternoon of the 26th of October 2014.
I'm listening, my lord.
Kwaku ila imoto yamdivisa khona ke kwakuse eseshayileke noma emuva ke kwehola lesithupha ke ntambama ngilalele.
Further instructs me that after he was dropped at his place of residence, he never met accused number 3 and 5.
Uthi ke emuva ke bethi ukuthi bemshiye lapho ke akaze ke aphinda noma akaphindanga ahlangane naye ke umsuku wesithathu nowesihlanu.
No, but that's not correct. Evidence suggests they met at Basotuni Hostel prior to this incident taking place. They moved together to where the deceased was. The deceased was shot after the struggle. They then went back to Basotuni Hostel, my lord. That's the evidence that we have, and parted ways after the sharing of money or money given to accused 1 and 2.
Akusilona-ke iqiniso-ke lokho ngoba ufakazi esinabo-ke ukuthi-ke bahlangana eBasotho Hostel ngaphambilini kokuthi isigameko senzeke emuva base behamba-ke beya la umufi aye khona-ke emuva kokuthi kunokulwa-ke kwakukhona-ke lapho umufi wabe esedutshulwa-ke bahamba-ke la babuyela khona-ke ehostel kula-ke bakhishwa imali khona-ke umsolo wokuqala nowesibili abathola imali khona.
Further instructs me that on the 26th of October, he did not meet accused number 1 and 2 at all.
But that's not correct, my lord. Like I said, the evidence indicates that they all 5 accused met at Basutono Hostel. Prior to the commission of this offense, they traveled together to 13511 Kotanung Street, where the deceased was shot, and thereafter they went back to Basutono Hostel. Money was given to the 2 accused, then they parted ways.
Uyasho ukuthi ngalelo langa lelo-ke akahlangananga nje nhlobo-ke naye umsolo wokuqala kanye nowesibili. Akusilona-ke iqiniso lelo. Ubufakazi buyasho-ke ukuthi bahlangana abasolwa-ke bonke eBasotho Hostel bahamba-ke baya e-13511 Kutlanong Street eNomzamo section eFosloras. Emuva kwalokho base bebuyela khona-ke eBasotho Hostel. Abasolwa ababili-ke owokuqala nowesibili banikezwa imali yila abahlukana khona.
He has never been at Masutwini Hostel on the 26th of October, 2014.
That's not correct, my lord. The evidence places him there. Other than the exhibit HH and JJ, there are witnesses who places him there on the 26th of October 2014 at Basutono Hostel, together with this accused, my lord.
Akusilona iqiniso ukuthi-ke akazange aye eBasotho Hostel ngalelo langa lange-26 October 2014. Ubufakazi-ke buyamkhomba ukuthi waye lapho ngaphandle kwawo-ke lamazibithi itatimende lezi u-HH no-JJ. Kukhona-ke abanye ofakazi-ke abashoyo ukuthi waye lapho kanye nabanye abasolwa.
He has never been at the scene of crime at 13511 Kutlanong Street in Fostoras. In fact, Brigadier, just to pause there, is it correct that there is no evidence whatsoever that this is my client at the crime scene?
No, I disagree. There is exhibit HH and JJ that was admitted in this court, but other than that, we dealt with the regions, the markers, my lord, and we've dealt on this part. It is there. You can pick up 4 of his regions of the DNA of the markers at the crime scene, specifically at the crime scene inside the house.
Akusilona-ke iqiniso ukuthi abukho ubufakazi obushoyo-ke noma obukhombayo-ke ukuthi wayekhona lapho kwindawo yesigameko. Bukhona-ke u-exhibit JJ naye-ke u-HH kanye futhi-ke noma-ke yebo kushiwo ukuthi-ke amamakha lawana-ke awaphelele mayelana nalo-ke ulibofuzo noma-ke i-DNA eyatholakala, kodwa-ke khona-ke la kutholakala khona kwindawo noma kuma-regions awu-4.
No, I'll leave the issue of the regions for arguments, as well as exhibit HH and JJ. He further instructs me that he had not at any time in his lifetime been in contact with Miss Kelly Kumar. He knows Miss Kelly Kumalo as a musician, but he never, had direct contacts with Miss Kelly Kumar.
Uyasho-ke